Fulfillment can be a key factor for your success or your failure. We have a lot of sellers that they complain that they don't have the right 3PL partner. They're slow, expensive, they have no control on the inventory management. So this is why you need to be choosing the correct partner, such as Forceget, who has multiple fulfillment centers across the country. You split the inventory so you can actually deliver the goods fast and cheaper. We have carrier contracts, UPS, USPS, and FedEx. So Forceget Fulfillment supports inventory distribution across US regions, fulfillment centers, and speed is not only about the higher cost, but speed is something that we provide you standard. This way you always make savings with us.
Contact us today and get $500 off your shipment.